Hi, my name is Becky Mader. I'm a Director of Special Services for Derby Public Schools, and I have a dream, too. I have a dream that one day this district will engage and excite each and every student. I have a dream that one day our students will experience opportunities for personalized learning designed to drive engagement. Educators will deliver instruction through engaging forms of media, including videos, audio clips, and interactive games, giving students more options beyond the traditional essay, poster, or report. Teachers will use digital tools to gather immediate feedback on students' understanding and the use of information to customize lessons for their students. Educators of all experience levels and in a variety of roles will build on a solid foundation in educational technology, learning theories, curriculum design, and differentiated classroom instruction. I have a dream that one day our students will have better retention of information because instead of learning it one-dimensionally, they will experience the content on multiple levels. Virtual reality will change everything for them. It will change the game for kids who are struggling because they will be immersed in a world where they can actually see it and feel it. Technology has brought the world together. It lets us connect on platforms we wouldn't have thought were imaginable. This is the new innovative technology poised to improve the world of engagement, and it's helping the world connect and continuously innovate. I have a dream today. I have a dream that one day our students will thrive in student-centered learning environments. They will move from passive receivers of information to active participants in their own discovery process. What students learn, how they learn it, and how their learning is assessed will be driven by each individual student's needs and abilities. This is my hope and faith. With this faith, our district will be able to implement curriculum planning practices, pedagogy, and assessment methods that support a student-centered approach. In the classroom, teachers will craft instruction and apply technology in a way that best serves each student's learning journey. This will be the day when students take responsibility for their own learning, the day they become explorers capable of leveraging their curiosity to solve real-world problems, a day where opportunities for civic engagement, meaningful and relevant implementation of innovative technology, and authentic personalized learning will play a role in shaping how our students learn to interact with their community and develop the skills, values, and sense of empowerment necessary to become active citizens. Every student, every day, preparing for the future.